It's a 2019 Toyota Avalon. Captivate every crowd and master every mile in this elegant Avalon. Features include smart device navigation, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated bucket seats, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection muses, this is a cabin that feels extremely roomy and is far more modern and luxurious than the previous Avalon, with top-notch materials, thoughtful details, and comfortable seats. Toyota, steered by ingenuity, driven by passion. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive. You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan, you're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.